Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer all your data from your old iPhone to iPhone 17 series. You can do it on 17, 17 Pro Max and 17 Air. In this video I got 17 Pro Max, my old iPhone, and I got 17 Pro Max, my new one. So I'll show you how you can set up and transfer all your data from your old iPhone to the new one. So, when you turn on your iPhone 17 Max, you will see this Hello page. Just simply swipe up, and here, select your language, then select your country. Then wait for it to set up your iPhone. So it's simply setting up the language for your iPhone. It might take few seconds, then you will see this page. If you want a medium, large, just select one, tap Continue. And one thing about transferring all your data from your old iPhone to a new one is that Apple made it so easy to just transfer everything from your old iPhone, the settings, the data, everything to a new one. So, in this page you will see, it will say that this how you quickly set up your iPhone. Simply bring your iPhone nearby and you will see this option. Tap Unlock to continue. After doing that, you will see this thing here. Then you got the camera here. Just bring it like this. And that's it. Now it will get everything ready. Just setting up the language now. Then here, you want to select whether you want to set up the new iPhone for yourself or for a new child, or you want to create a new child account. Just select one. And on the new iPhone, it asks you to enter your passcode to your old iPhone. So, yep, I've just put my passport there. And now it may take few minutes to activate your new iPhone. Just wait for a few minutes. It might not be few minutes. And here you might see the software update page. It's up to you. You want to update it, you can update it. It's up to you. You can update it now or you can update it later. Just want to update later. And you got the data and privacy page here. You can learn more or you can simply tap Continue. Then here ask if you want to set up a Face ID. I just want to set up later because you can always do it from your own settings. So, and also in this page, which is really important, and this video is all about this, it shows, I will tell you if you want to transfer data from, your old iPhone. So if you're moving from iPhone, you can transfer all these, your old iPhone data and settings directly to this phone. So then you just need to make sure that your iPhone is nearby and connected to power and the transfer. Let's complete it. Oh, it shows for me that it might take an hour, 30 minutes. For you, it might take a lot, or it might take like few minutes. So if you want to do that, tap Continue. And now it will set up your account. So here you will see the terms and condition page. Tab Agree. Then it is setting up your iPhone, just signing into your Apple account now. And this, in the Mac, is your new iPhone page. So it will give you everything that you can set up in your new iPhone that you had it on your previous iPhone. If you want to do that, you can just tap Continue. Then you got the location services page. If you can turn it on now, or you can set up later on your settings. Then here you will see your credit cards. If you want to add your previous credit cards to your Apple Pay, you can do that. Or you can add those later. I got so many cards. And you're running out of your class card. So in this page, you got the iPhone analytics. It asks if you want to share those data with iPhone. If you want, you can do it. I don't want to share it, so don't. I'm clicking on that. Don't share. And in this page, you got Apple Intelligence. If you want to set up now, you can do it. Simple. Set up Apple Intelligence. Or you can always do it from settings later. And that's it. Now it shows you how to use this side button here, which is camera. Just tap continue. Okay, yeah. Then in this page, you will see the Siri page. If you want to set up Siri now, you can do it. It'll ask you a few words to say, and after that, it'll be set up on your iPhone. Or you can always do it later from settings, set up later. And the emergency SOS, you can just set up those stuff to continue. Now, it is transferring all your data from your old iPhone to your new one. On your old iPhone, you will see this pop-up saying that the voice is added to your account. If you're okay, just tap OK and wait for your new iPhone to get all your data from your old iPhone. That's it. Just wait for a few minutes or maybe few hours. I don't know. Oh, it says 3 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. Just wait for it.